Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 Discord bots to enhance your community engagement in 2025. First, let's discuss the criteria we used for selecting these bots, focusing on user engagement, ease of use, and customizability. Our first bot is bot number 1, known for its amazing features including interactive polls and advanced moderation tools. Here's how it can elevate your server's engagement. Next up is bot number 2. It excels in creating a fun environment with game integrations and community events. Perfect for keeping your members entertained. Bot number 3 is impressive with its music capabilities and community-driven content. Let's see how it can serve your needs well. Moving on to bot number 4, which provides insightful analytics to help you understand your community better and boost engagement. Finally, we have bot number 5. Its event planning feature is a game changer, helping you schedule activities and keep everyone in the loop. Let's compare these bots. Each has unique strengths and weaknesses that'll help you make the best choice for your community. Here are some tips on how to integrate these bots smoothly into your community for maximum impact. As we look ahead, the future of Discord bots involves more personalized engagement and innovative features that cater to community needs.